Alrighty folks, 018 here. Just looking at a 2.8 Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG. This is a repair view. Fairly new build. Customer blown a pill in it. And I think what happened was he got his dead key too high from talking to him. I'm going to take care of it for him, hook him up. I just like taking care of my customers when they're good customers, like I said, scenario of the new build. Alright, let's start out looking at straight through SWRs like we always do. Worldwide. Turn my mic gain down. Worldwide, 0. Alright, I'm going to turn my mic gain down. I'm going to demonstrate something. Alright, this is how you're going to set this box up. Turn it on. Turn the variable wide open, okay? Turn your RF power all the way down to 0 on your radio, okay? Now we're looking at a 1000 watt slug right here, okay? We're reading that bottom scale. This is an 8 pill, so that's 25 watts dead key per transistor out. So we're going to key it up. I'm going to start running my variable up. You run it up 200 and quit. That's all there is to it. You're good to go. I'm going to tell you something. If you do not watch your dead key, these will blow pills every time. I just want to make it clear so you know how to do it. So you turn that wide open, turn it on, turn the dead key all the way down. Look at a 1000 watt scale. Make sure the box is keying 200 or somewhere close. It'll go through, but you know, I mean, I like 200 safe zone or less. But that way your transistors will last. All right. Now let me turn my mic back up. Now let's look at this puppy. Variable wide open, input tune. Worldwide Donkey Stomper. Output 5 on reverse. Worldwide, half watt. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, talking 800 talking and 1000 watt whistle. 2500 watt PEP, radio drive, verbal wide open. Worldwide, Donkey Stomper. Now you might have lost about just a little. You know, put that input on there, pad on there, not much, just a little. Not enough to notice no difference. Worldwide. Donkey Stomper, 1, test, 1. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide. Hello. I'm out of breath. I just did that because I wanted to show you it was working. I tested it good. Just the kicks, turn the variable halfway down. 1000 watt PV. Worldwide, stood in 1000. 2500 watt PV, variable halfway down. Worldwide. About 1200. Get on that. But there she is, man. She's up and going. I didn't plan on having this done before I left, but we got talking today, and I just thought I'd go ahead and do it and get it out. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Your friend 10. 018 Beatles. Catch you later. Bye-bye.